What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix controller input delay and latency issues in NBA 2K26 on your PlayStation 5. Alright, let's jump right into it. If you are playing 2K and you notice some delay when pressing buttons, here's what you need to do. First, go to your settings on the PS5, then scroll all the way down and select accessories. From there, hover over to controller settings. Now the first thing you wanna do is check if your controller is up to date. Click on your controller and if an update is available, you will see an option to install it. Go ahead and update it. Outdated firmware can sometimes cause lag or delay issues. Once it's updated, try launching 2K again and see if the issue improves. If you are still experiencing lag, move down to the communication method section. By default, your controller probably connects via Bluetooth, but for games like NBA 2K26, it's better to use a USB cable connection. So switch the option from use Bluetooth to use USB cable. This ensures that your controller is directly connected to the console, giving you the lowest possible latency, no more input lag or delay while playing. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and like this video. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.